I will compare the new BMW iX XDAV60 with Jeep Compass. BMW iX XDAV60 has a 109 kW total battery capacity. Jeep Compass has a 73 kW total battery capacity. BMW iX XDAV60 range of around 701 km. Jeep Compass range of around 500 km. BMW iX XDAV60 model offer a maximum power output of 544 horsepower. Jeep Compass model offer a maximum power output of 213 horsepower. BMW iX XDAV60 acceleration from 0 to 100 km in approx 4.6 seconds. Jeep Compass acceleration from 0 to 100 km in approx 3.8 seconds. BMW iX XDAV60 versus Jeep Compass top speed. BMW iX XDAV60 versus Jeep Compass torque. BMW iX XDAV60 versus Jeep Compass drivetrain. BMW iX XDAV60 versus Jeep Compass motor type. BMW iX XDAV60 versus Jeep Compass wheelbase. BMW iX XDAV60 versus Jeep Compass seat. BMW iX XDAV60 versus Jeep Compass body type.